Good students, I'm glad today to tell you that we're going to finish our past questions and solution on 2018. So today we're going to start with question 47, and you can see we have the giraffe here, and this is the trees, or these are the trees. So we have the trees here, and we have the trees here, we have the trees here. So let's look at the question. Who proposed the theory in this illustration? Louis Pasteur is not even the answer at all, because Louis Pasteur is that particular scientist that propounded the theory of pasteurization. That is, you apply temperature, a certain temperature to the milk to kill or to harm the pathogens in the milk, or to prevent the pathogens from developing in the milk. Then Mendel is the father of genetics. So we're not talking about the genetics at all here. Then Robert Hooke is the father of cell, the man that discovered the cell. And the Jean Lamarck is the answer. Jean Lamarck is the first father of evolution. Jean Lamarck is the first father of evolution. And the second man is Charles Darwin. So the answer is Jean Lamarck. Now let's go to the next question. The theory here propounded by Jean Lamarck supports A, struggle for survival. Yes, are they struggling for survival? Yes, we can say yes, but actually we are not yet, we don't conclude an answer until we have run down the whole options. B, natural selection. Natural selection will have been the answer. However, Jean Lamarck never propounded the theory of natural selection. It is Charles Darwin that propounded the theory of natural selection after Jean Lamarck had propounded his own theory. So we will not pick natural selection. Independent assortment is there with the assortment of genes. We're not going to talk about that here. Then the use and the disuse of body parts. You can see that because of the fact that this, there should be time here. According to the time, or during the passage of time, this giraffe has been able to make use of its neck in order to get the food from the tree, and that is because the neck has been used over and over until it developed a very long neck to be able to catch its food. So the answer here, because it was Jean Lamarck who picked it, and Jean Lamarck, one of his theory is the theory of use and disuse. So let me quickly run through the theories of Jean Lamarck. So he propounded three theories. The first one is called the theory of need. Okay, the theory of need. I am not going to define that for you now because of time. Second theory is the theory of use and disuse. While the third theory is called the theory of acquired inheritance. So the answer is the use and disuse of body parts. Now let's go to the next question, question 49. Question 49. Good. In evolution, fossils are naturally preserved in the rocks, water, chemicals, and trees. So the answer here is rocks. It is not just any type of rock. We have the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are rocks that are rich in fossils, and the sedimentary rocks are subjected to carbon dating with an isotope of 14. They are subjected to what? To carbon dating using isotope 14. So that is the answer. Now, don't forget that fossils are remains of dead plants and animals over decades. Which of the following insects is not a social insect? A, termite. Termite is discussed under the topic social insect. You know that. Then the next one is housefly. Housefly is not categorized as social insect. Then the next one is honeybee. Honeybee is also discussed under social insect. And the next one is ants. Ants are also discussed under social insect. So the answer is housefly. So let me just give you the case of the termite and the case of the honeybee. Then we end the class for the day. Now the termite case. The first one. The termite case, yes. The first one is the reproductives. Okay. Then the next one is the soldiers. the soldiers, and we have the workers. While they honeybee cased, you hear of the queen, you hear of the drones, and you hear of the workers. So the reproductive ear for the termite is divided into 3 parts. The king are reproductive in nature, the queen are reproductive in nature, and the winged, we have what's called the winged reproductives. So I'm glad to end the class today. Goodbye. Thank you. Meet the next past question.